Here's a sneak peek at the Ford F-150 Lightning's flashy dashboard screen and digital animations. Is this not something we saw in our video?
Well, yeah, they're just really refining the whole battery distribution, letting the user know
That's cool.
how the power is distributed. So there's a couple animations here.
I saw, so the one that you had at the top, we had Mo jumping in the bed to try to increase the weight, but it wasn't really that much.
Yeah.
We could see it fluctuating ever so slightly. So to see them put, I don't know, whatever that was, 3,000 pounds, that was cool.
And also tow capacity as well.
And
So at least it gives the user like an understanding of where that power is being put into.
Mm-hmm.
So in here, it's the driving modes as well. So you can pick, and then it would show you like how much energy is going to get burned.
Yep. Oh, and I like how when you change the big display, the theme also changes on the smaller display behind the steering wheel. That's cool.
Mm-hmm. And this is hauling like a payload.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, look at this, all the way up to 3,000 pounds over here.
Yeah.
And you see how your range obviously adjusts as you approach maximum capacity. Yeah, this is cool.
Yeah.
Maybe Epic's involved.
Yeah, with Unreal.
That's right.
And this is the last one with the lights.
Oh, that's cool. I don't think we saw that. I don't think I got to that point in the menu in the video. That's nice. Sometimes you hit a switch for a light and you're not sure. Like if you have, I like having physical switches for certain things.
Yeah.
But sometimes you leave a light on or you're not certain which one you're turning on. So seeing that animation there is useful.
Yeah. And then I guess this last one with powering your house tells you how much power is being, taken out of the car.
And then also the reserve, maintaining a reserve so you can still drive away if you need to.
Yeah.
Don't use all the truck's power. House. How dare you, house?
Yeah, I think it's great. I think it's kind of cool that it has this kind of detail. And it's in a aesthetic manner too.
I'll tell you something since you brought up the F-150 Lightning. In my life, in my regular life, a lot of people ask me about this truck.
Oh, yeah?
Whether they saw the video or not, they say, what about the F-150 Lightning? Should I pick that up? I would say right now, and maybe because it was in the studio and it's not like we had a Cybertruck or the Hummer, which is coming. I'm sure we'll have it at some point, but I'm just saying it. I'm getting a lot of questions about the F-150 Lightning, whatever that means to you.
Is that your favorite EV, you would say?
No, I don't think I would say that. I think it makes a lot of sense for a lot of customers. Like I think at least the sentiment I'm hearing right now from people is it seems to be capable of converting people that are on the fence. It seems to be a low friction transition because it's just so familiar. It's like
right.
F-150, I know what that is. And then it's Lightning because it's electric. I know what that, yeah, that's fine. We can do that.
Definitely has a lineage and a DNA.
There's a comfort to it. It's like if you roll into some unfamiliar place and then you see the franchises that you recognize.
Like,
and you're like,
sigh of relief.
at least that's there. Yeah. So something familiar.